Hello, I'm Clancy Rose from Cafe Medici in Austin, Texas. I'm here today with Expert Village, and we're going to be making a single mocha. Things you need to make a single mocha is I like to keep 3 or 4 clean, dry kitchen towels on hand to clean up your area while you're working. Your espresso beans for your espresso shots. Your espresso grinder, and I have 2 variations of espresso grinders. Your chocolate. Your home espresso machine. On top of the machine, I have a damp towel for wiping down the steam. I have shot glasses to catch the shots in, the cup for assembling the drink, espresso tamper for tamping the espresso, thermometer for checking the water temperature in the machine, a couple more dry towels, a milk steaming pitcher, and your milk.